3 secrets to eliminate distraction and boost productivity. Number 1, get rid of people that are time wasters. Do not make and accept phone calls on money-making activity time by talking to friends. Imagine you're middle of something important and you're giving it your all. Your attention, your focus is on the subject. Someone calls now. 5 minutes goes by, 20 minutes goes by, 30 minutes. Before you know it, you go up, grab something to eat. 3 hours later, you forgot what you're doing. Stop that. Number 2, talking to people on business hours. Just calling people a chit chat. It's great. You could talk and set yourself a strict schedule. I gotta get this and this done. For people that work for themselves like me, it's very difficult sometimes to have proper time schedule because you don't have anybody telling you what to do. You have to be disciplined enough to use your time effectively and not chit chat on money making hours. Number 3, social media. If you're going in TikTok, Instagram, Facebook to make money and make content, make posts, wonderful. But do not get stuck in the rabbit hole. Once you go down that trail, you press on one video, the algorithm's so good, man, especially TikTok. It takes you down that rabbit hole. Before you know it, sometimes minutes, sometimes hours is gone. Precious time. And when you realize, man, what did I do? It's already stolen your time. Take away from social media unless you're making money. Those are the top 3 rules to excel your business to the next level.